Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain Nachos cheese sauce, full guide. Gather soaked cashews, plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, salt, and mild spices. Blend until smooth and warm gently on low heat. Stir constantly to avoid sticking and adjust thickness with water or milk to reach a pourable sauce. Taste and tweak seasoning, then serve over chips with cilantro and sliced jalapenos for a bright finish. Measure all ingredients before cooking to make the process smooth and stress-free. Drain soaked cashews and add them to a blender with plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and mild spices. Blend until completely smooth, adding small amounts of water if the mixture is too thick. Warm the blend in a saucepan on low heat while stirring to integrate flavors and achieve a silky, pourable consistency for nachos. Keep the heat low and stir continuously while warming the sauce to prevent curdling and sticking. Taste often and adjust salt, acidity, or spice gradually so you don't overdo any element. If you want a thicker dip, cook a little longer. For a drizzle, thin with 1 tablespoon additions of water or milk. Serve immediately over nachos or store in the fridge for up to 4 days in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.